Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. In this channel, I will be sharing with you my stock picks and investment strategies. I like focusing on the fundamentals, and will present my thoughts and ideas in plain language. If you like what you hear, consider smashing the like and subscribe button. New to investment? Great! Consider using my link to get free stocks with Webull and Robinhood. Okay, let's get into it. So I promised you guys that I was going to do a raw reaction, my reaction to the interview after the interview is all done. Thank everybody for tuning in and watching. Really appreciate everyone's support. So with AITX, congratulations everyone. We all know that it went all the way up to 21 cents today, a lot higher than most of us expected. So congratulations to all of those. I have positions either today or prior to. The reason why I say that is because I think one of the advantages for subscribing to a smaller channel as myself is that when you get these news about these companies that are not very well known, you are part of the group that invested in a company earlier. I know that Steve received an invitation for an interview from another YouTuber subsequent to mine. I think maybe about 30,000 views or so. So what this means is that after this interview, more people will know about AITX, but they're gonna be buying at a higher price. Bigger channel have a bigger reach. And so by the time that all these other people know about AITX, we have already bought in and our positions will be a lot lower. There will be a pump and dump, I think. Known and bigger, more established YouTubers covers the company, but it doesn't matter to us because we already bought at a lower price. That was my thinking when I started to buy more today. I already share all of my thinking and my analysis in all of the videos, so I'm not going to rehash. One of the most important things that I got from all of this is that the company is behaving as if they are in the next tier. I think they're already in QB in terms of reporting. I was interacting with Steve. He did not seem like he was afraid of hard questions. The EO that are in OTC Pink, they don't do a lot of interviews, I think, is because they're scared to talk about all the problems associated with companies that are in OTC Pink. They're penny stocks for a reason. But I think this is definitely one of those companies where they've got a good CEO who is very, very committed to growing the business, because I think he is personally invested in this company. He founded the company. This is his baby. From an investor point of view, I think because you guys have subscribe to the smaller channel, you guys got this information beforehand. The stocks, the reality is this healthy volume, and the volume is very consistent. So I intend to hold this company. That's my immediate thoughts. I believe that I'm not going to make any prediction, but I feel like this company would definitely go to 25 cents this week. And that's just basically my gut. And one of the things that I really like about Steve is that he is very good at following his gut, knows how to take risks. I'll give you a story. When Steve decided to have his first YouTube interview with me, my channel at that time, I had about 840 followers. And someone in Waypoint had commented that it's so weird for a CEO of a company like that to do the first YouTube interview with someone who only has 840 followers. But Steve said, you know, he interacted with me and he felt something was right. What he took and ran with it. And I think that it actually works out for him. His tweet accounts, he went from 2,000 followers to I think at least 5,000 followers after this interview. So here you see a man who's willing to take risks, and it actually paid dividends. So as a CEO, I think he knows how to trust his gut, and he's doing the right thing. So I think overall, I have very good feelings about the company, very good feelings about the president. There's no other stamp of approval greater than the fact that I dropped $10,000 on a penny stock, the fact that I added more to the position today. I hope that you found the information helpful. Please let me know if you need a question. If you do, feel free to comment below. Thank you.